Hey Rupert, my name's Craig with Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video I'm going to show you 3 things that you could do today to help bring in more customers to your business. I found that by giving business owners a free, easy attack plan of things that they could do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those business owners still raising their hands and putting their trust in me to help grow their company. So, if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve and tools that can help your business grow, then shoot me a message back and we can set up a meeting. Or, if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free plan that I give you today and do it yourself, that works for me too. So let me show you 3 things that'll set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. So the first thing I'm going to go over is content quantity today. So I took your website and I plugged it into a tool that I use called SEO Quick. As you can see, there's your URL. And what I noticed is you only have about 500 words. Now Google has said that to be fully optimized within their website, you want to have at least 1,500 words on that homepage. So you're about 1,000 words shy on the content. It's just important because Google wants to make sure they're matching people with what they're looking for. So as we can see here, I typed in Milwaukee Construction Company, and the #1 competitor in the area is this metropolitan Milwaukee construction companies. But that's actually just a directory. So what we wanted to do was find the actual company, and that's going to be right here, this Catalyst Builds. As we can see, this is their website. So I ran them in SEO Quick as well, and we can see that they fall short as well with almost 960 words. Now this is going to lead me to my second thing that I want to talk about today, which is content quality and keywords. So as we can see, their keywords are construction, catalyst, and they have Milwaukee in there, 35, 13, 7 times respectively. Now your keywords, you have construction 8 times, and that'd probably be the only good one. I see Kotze Construction, but I don't see anything Milwaukee. So the way keywords work is when I type this into Google, the algorithm scrubbed all the pages to try to find the most relevant websites for what I'm looking for. Therefore, since you didn't have as many words, you couldn't have as many keywords, and it couldn't pull you up. Now the third thing I want to talk about and how you get to this #1 spot is going to be backlinks and link juice. So looking at your website here in a tool called Ahrefs, I can see that you have almost 900 backlinks with 58 referring domains, and you're getting about 100 clicks a month onto your website. But when I scroll down here, I can see your URL rating for them backlinks are pretty low, with the highest being 20. Now what this is basically one website pointing at your website. And when that happens, you get some of their link juice, or some of their power. Now if you get it from a low ranking website, you don't get nearly as much power, and that's why these aren't as high. Now looking at your competitor here, we can see they have pretty high numbers. They have way more backlinks, way more domains, and way more traffic. And if we look here, they actually have some pretty powerful sites coming up almost 50. So it's very important to have relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that you're the authority. So in conclusion, we discussed 3 things. We discussed content quantity and meeting that minimum threshold of 1,500 words on the homepage. Secondly, we discussed keywords importance and how you need to have the words that you want to be found for. For example, construction company, Milwaukee. Lastly, we discussed how backlinks are going to be the most important in getting you ranked on Google, and how you need to have not only more backlinks, but more relevant backlinks to your business that have a high power website so that we can pull you up to the front of Google. Now if you implement these strategies today, you could be climbing across Google in no time and be #1. So what now? Well, like I said in the beginning, you can take all this information in this plan and implement these strategies, and you can do it all on your own, and I'm totally fine with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time so you can focus on your business, then give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig, and I can be reached at 813-515-3488. Thank you. Have a great day.